ari kugira ngo muringo oguhikire ogwo kubasa kutwara amagezi kugiya hamwe gata aha handi bine kuchikora ombicweka bishatu ekiyayeta basic tools harimo kushoma okuhandika no kubara ekindi ekiyayeta study of the society abantu bine kumanye binte bibehinguririze okuba ari kubasa kubyeyongeraho kugira ngo bibase kutungura amagara g'abantu narishi okugashisha yayongera yagira ngo aine okushemererwa okushanga ngo abashomesa obwahati bariyo nibagendana no muringo omusya ogweta progressive education system ngo kandi obwahati bariyo nibatandikana no kuhanura ahanshonga ezine omugasho omunsiyona ko muringo gumwe ogwo kubasa kuretaho emiringo yakubasa kuretera Uganda okweyongera kutunguka. Museveni yayongera yagira ngo abashomesa bashemerire kutibwa ahansi ya za grades kwenda kubasa kumanya okubine kubatwariza ahanshonga eyamaju. President Museveni yagira ngo obwahati hariho omuringo oguba kwija kutaho oguri kubasa kureberera bona ari kugira ngo abashomesa bona nibaherezayo obuhereza oyihireho amashomero aguba ari kuba barimu. President Museveni yagaruka yaraganisa na yusha kushajika sako y'abashomesa ariko bongera ahakasenze.
Of course, I will also inform you again that long ago I was also a teacher. But the difference is that I was not a qualified teacher. I was a licensed teacher. But I know quite a bit about teaching. Now the thing you have here is a good one. The teachers we need for the education we want. That's very good. It summarizes really the correct approach to knowledge transfer.
First Lady Kandori Minister owebyo bwegese nemizano Janet Kataha Museveni yasima abashomesa ari kugira ngo mirimo guba ari gukora ni kimwe abintu ebikureta hentunguka omwihanga. Yagaruka yasima President Museveni ahabo bushaji kibwona hamwe na nobuhabuzi obwo ari kuhereza ahabashomesa hamwe na nebyo bwegese okutwariza hamwe. Ogu yahabura ngo Uganda eshemerire kureba ngo yagira omuringo oguyatandika kukozesa okwenda ngo nabo babaseguma ahamuramwa biti yagaruka yagira ngo obwahati hariho na nebindi bintu bine kwetebekanisiza na mnonge bintu ebisoso yate eri kubaneyenda.
It is a pleasure to be here recognizing and appreciating the invaluable contribution of Uganda's teachers to our nation's development. I wish to extend my heartfelt wishes for a happy Teachers' Day to all educators. The world is evolving rapidly, and Uganda, as part of the global community, must adapt its education system to produce citizens who are not only relevant, but also well prepared for the demands of our society.
Omuringo gomutano owajekera abashomesa elong yayoreka okukwataho kandi na nokusima government na mnonga ahali President Museveni ahabo kureba ngo abazize kubebembera kurungi na nokongera abashomesa ba science esente. Ogu yagira ngo obwahati esente zizonjire muraro ahamwe no kushomesa kw'amani ombashomesa ari kugira ngo ekindi kija kureterana nemitindo go bwegese gwayongera kuzahiguru kiretera beji okuganyirwamo. Ahamukoro nigo gumwe abashomesa mukaga abukozireho muringo go mutano batunga za laptops okuruga omu UNICEF. Omukorogu gwahikwaho ba ministers ba member ba parliament hamwe na nabandi bakugu omwihanga.
I wish in a very special way to express our profound gratitude to the government of Uganda and specifically to His Excellency the President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni for taking a visionary step to improve teachers' remuneration starting with the science teacher.
Tukiri aha kujaguza ekiro